Hi there. Thank you so much for listing your property with Florida Rental by Owners. In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a booking on Florida Rental by Owners' new site. Here, I am in my own listing, and as you might have noticed, I am on the tab Listings. And I'm going to click on Details. In the left-hand menu, navigate over to Availability. You can scroll down, and you can see on the traditional calendar of bookings, all your bookings should appear here. Each booking will be a different color. They're randomized, so the colors don't mean anything. Click on the booking, and you will see right here where it says Booked Active. You can click to Canceled Inactive, which I won't do because that's an actual booking for me. And then you can just click Save Booking right here, and it will come off your calendar. And you can also do the same thing if you scroll down and in the All Bookings section, find the reservation you're wanting to cancel. Click Edit, and it's the same thing. You click Canceled Inactive. Again, I'm not going to do it since this is an actual booking for me. And then you would click Save Booking, and that's it. It'll disappear off your calendar and off your list of reservations. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@floridarentalbyowners.com. Thanks for watching.